Take a look at this slide. The designer is teaching a beginner's class on digital single-lens reflex cameras, or DSLRs, and they are introducing the audience to the parts of the camera. This designer has hastily cut and pasted the visual from the user's manual and put it into the slide. This doesn't work for a lot of reasons. First, let's ask ourselves, is it legal? Can this presenter, particularly if they are working for a profit-generating company, use images from another company's materials? Probably not legally. Second, it's too busy. There's too much text all at once, so the audience is overwhelmed and either tries to get through it or just tunes it out. Also, the composition is weak. The numbers are all around. The audience has to keep looking at the image, the number, the table, then back to the image and the number. It's just floating out there. The image and the table are both equally vying for the audience's attention. Let's clean this up. First, did you know that creating your own professional image is easy? Look, I took this picture using my smartphone. Next, using a simple Remove Background feature in PowerPoint, I took out all of the background noise. With Apple's Keynote software, this feature is called Instant Alpha. These features allow you to remove the background colors from an image. Also, did you notice the glare and reflection on the camera's screen? I used the Shapes feature to create a rounded-edged rectangle, and I placed that where the current camera viewing screen is. Okay, now let's add the labels. Let's line them up so that they're easier to read. Notice we're using proximity, lining up all of the labels. Also, I've right justified the text. That is, I aligned it to the right of the column so that the labels are as close as they can be to the camera image. Next, we used a blue color that shows well right across both the white background and the black camera body. And finally, I've added a small drop shadow along the bottom of the blue label lines to help them stand out a bit against the black camera body. Now I'm going to create more slides, each with a new set of labels, instead of putting them all on one slide. There. Now we have 3 clean, well-designed slides that will help our audience retain what we're showing them. I wanted to make sure these are separate so that my audience is not overwhelmed by all the labels. Notice I've told my audience that there are 3 slides showing camera parts. I put that right in the slide's title. So there you have it, another slide going from noisy to neat. As you attend slide presentations, be sure to review the visuals and think in your mind how you might begin to improve them.